Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution Math. I am your tutor Sumant PF. Today I am here to announce the result of Mathematical Model and Theorem Competition Season 2 presented by PSM Perfect Solution Math channel. So before starting the result, let me say something about this competition. So PSM started the competition in the last year, the 2020, as a Mathematical Model and Theorem competition, and this is the second year, that is a successive second year, the season 2. A little competition can inspire math students to generate scientific understanding, self-confidence, and mastering the challenges of our modern technologies culture. So PSM Perfect Solution for Math brought Mathematical Model and Theorem competition for the second season in the month of June 2021. 31 candidates registered their names for this competition, and the voting was started on 9th of June and it ended on 15th of June 2021. In PSM Perfect Solution for Math YouTube channel, the videos were uploaded. The 31 candidates are Aishwarya, Shreya, Jagruti, Vedika, Surya, Aliya, Sanat, Bhakti, Mehek, Ananya, Spurti, Samarth, Kushi, Abhinaya, Ditya, Sanjit, Ayman, Tirtham, Shreya, Anusha Bhatt, Sanchi, Filda, Sakshi Kapali, Kriti Desai, Gladson, Darshan, Hetal, Aditya, Archit, Sai Sagar and Asha. These are 31 candidates, those who have participated for the competition. And the supporters voted them by views, by likes and by watch time, and judges are already voted them. And here is a result of PSM season 2 mathematical model and theorem competition. So this will be opened later, but now we will have some feedback about this competition. The first feedback is given by the Ayman Sheikh from the St. Assisi School, Chikkodi, Belgaum.
A little competition can inspire math students to greater achievement. Dear sir, here I am to give my feedback on PSM Season 2. This Season 2 or contest has provided me a challenging mathematical experience. It was competitive and educational. It has given me boost in my confidence. I learned different styles of mathematical thinking by thinking outside the box, and this has surprised me to do better than what I expected. Moreover, this Season 2 helped me to gain my confidence early on in tackling unfamiliar mathematical challenges. Overall, it was a great fun and enjoyment. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayman. Now we will have one more feedback from Mehek from St. Assisi School, Chikkodi, Belgaum.
Hi guys, myself Mehek and I'm here to share my experience and feedback about the competition. First of all, I would like to thank Sumant sir for conducting such admirable competition, because when I was searching topics for my video, I really discovered many more new concepts and topics about mathematics which I didn't even knew before. Many other students also had their video, and I really appreciate everyone's effort because everyone had their unique way of explanation, everyone took different topics, and there were many other different concepts, and everyone did a really phenomenal job. I hope such competitions become in future because this can help us for improving our stage courage, and this also helps us to improve our skills. And lastly, I would like to conclude by saying that it was really a great experience working on this video. Thank you and bye guys.
Thank you, Mehek. Now we are going to have a special guest who is going to speak about this competition, that is Jerome sir from St. Assisi School, Chikkodi, Belgaum.
There is no duty more indispensable than that of returning a kindness. Hello everyone. I would like to express my gratitude to all the participants of Perfect Solution for Mathematics. PSM presents Mathematical Model and Theorem Competition Season 2. Well done dear students. You have sharpened your life coping skills. Indeed, it will be a great help to you as you move ahead in life. Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevents chaos. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or spatial thinking, critical thinking, problem solving ability, and even effective communication. Thus, mathematics provides an effective way of building mental discipline. In addition, mathematical knowledge plays a crucial role in understanding the content of the other school subjects such as science, social studies, and even music and arts. Here I end by quoting, "Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is numbers. Everything around you is mathematics." All the best.
Thank you, Jerome sir. To organize a competition, there must be supporters, those who have supported the PSM Perfect Solution Math channel. So I am here to thank each and everyone, those who have supported this channel. So I want to thank all the 31 competitors, those who have competed for this competition. And I want to specially thank all the judges, those who have given the judgment in a right time, in a given time. And I want to thank the special thing about the sponsor, because without their sponsorship I might have not done this competition. So thank you the sponsor, and who have already informed that not to tell their names, so I am sorry, so I will not tell their names who is the sponsor, and a special thank for them. And special thank for all the viewers, supporters. Without you this competition would not be this much of successful. Participation undoubtedly is more important than the winning. Without the participation, one can never hope to win. All the great achievers or winners of the world have been men and women who just kept trying again and again. Success never happens on the first attempt, or in fact many initial attempts. So I am here to announce the winner of this competition, PSM Season 2 Mathematical Model and Theorem Competition. So here is the result. Let me have a look on this result and let me check the result, and I will inform who is the winner. So there were 31 candidates, and all the 31 candidates cannot be the winner. So there must be only few winners. So let me have the winners. Before going to the winners, let me have some memento or award for the upcoming talents. So here are some upcoming talents. Those showed their talent to us, to what they know about the mathematical subject. So let me introduce and let me give that award to them. Now is the result time, the award for the upcoming talent. So I have chosen the 4 candidates whose the video was nice, and but their ages was small, but they have shown their talent in the small age only. So these are the 4 awards will be presented to them, and the names I am going to call, and this award will be handed over to them within the 1 month. So the name for this award is Ditya from Bangalore Euro School Whitefield, and she is studying in 1st standard. She have presented the video on the 3D shape. Congratulations Ditya for your achievement. And the second award is going to Samarth from the Euro School Whitefield Bangalore. He is studying in 4th standard, and he have done the video on the Vedic math, and congratulations Samarth for your achievement. I want to call Shreya Hegde from the 4th standard, Prudence International School Tumkur. She have done the video on factors, and the video is very nice. Now coming to the 4th award, that is Sanath Hegde from 1st standard from the Prudence International School Tumkuru. He have done the video on units, and the video is very nice. So these are the 4 upcoming talents. Now let us move on to the result of the competition, that is PSM Perfect Solution Math Season 2 Mathematical Model and Theorem Competition winners. And the winners are, the list is in my hand, and I am calling the 2nd place, then the 1st place, and there is a one special prize. For this year I have started that prize, and it will continue for the next year also, for the season 3 also. What is that new special award and what is the special prize? We are going to have look at that once. Now first I will call the 2nd place, who have came for this year, the season 2021, the winner of PSM Mathematical model and theorem competition. The second place goes to Ayman Sheikh from St. Assisi School, Chikkodi, Belgaum. With his highest marks and with the judges' marks, he have achieved the second place. Congratulations, Ayman. And here is the award for the second prize, and this will be handed over to him within 1 week. Okay, now is the time to announce the winner of this competition. Before going forward to announce the winner of this competition, here is a special prize, that is Judges Choice Award. So this is the first time I am introducing this Judges Choice Award, and this will continue for the next year. From the next year, season 3, there will be only first place and the Judges Choice Award. So what is the Judges Choice Award? It is chosen directly from the judges. It is not going to have anything from the voting, that is likes or comments or views or watch time. It is only purely on the judges' judgment. So before going for the Judges Choice Award, I am going to announce the first place, who is the winner of this year competition. The first place goes to Sanjit Hegde from RNS Vidyaniketan, Murdeshwar. He has secured the first place, and this award I am going to hand over to him within the next week. And congratulations, Sanjit Hegde. Now we are in the last part, that is nothing but the third award, that is called as the Judges Choice Award. So who is the winner of this first time, the winner of this Judges Choice Award? Any guesses? Yes, there was the video which have very interesting, explained with the all the thing, that is all the teaching aid and everything, and nicely it is explained. And this award goes to Anusha Bhatt from RNS Vidyaniketan, Murdeshwar. Congratulations, Anusha Bhatt. And this award is also going to hand over to her by the next week. Here is the last, that is we have already announced all the winners of this competition, but here there were 31 candidates and the prizes are given to only few students, because the competition was nice and all the judges were saying about the only one thing, it was very difficult for them to choose the winner. So once again, thank you one and all for competing for this competition and showing your talent. So keep it like this way only, and it will be helpful for your future. So thank you everyone, thank you for the support, and please like the video, share as much as possible, and try to show your talent. Anyone, if you want to give your video to the PSM channel, you can go and check my email, and you can send the video by the Telegram app, so that your video I can upload to the YouTube if it contains the value it is organized. So thank you for watching PSM Perfect Solution Math. See you soon. Bye.